Y'all, I look a freaking mess, but of course we're about to fix all that right now. So I'm gonna show y'all the hair. The hairs. Sorry for the trash. These are the hairs I got. I get the same brand every time. Natural. I got 216 bundles, and then I just got this one with a little bit of color in it. Can I get a chicken wrap or only cheese and chicken?
Stop.
Y'all, I'm about to eat this and then watch this.
Stop 50 times.
Okay, I just got my hair done and I freaking hate it because it looks all poofy and stuff, and now I'm outside sweating, breaking out because my car literally won't start. It's August 7th, almost my birthday. My mom is like 30 minutes, she was 40 minutes away, so I've been waiting for like 20 minutes. I don't freaking for a girl like me to be out here, but it's actually not hot under the shade, so I'm in the shade.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Okay, I'm back home. My hair looks kind of this is literally like almost a week later. But my hair will look better when I flat iron it and do edges. But I'm about to nail my legs right now. Okay, we're at Target now. It's Friday. Birthday's tomorrow. It's 9 a.m. and the parking lot is full and I'm confused about what's going on. I try to come here when no one's here because I'm holding a freaking camera, but we're just coming in to get a few things and then we're gonna leave. So because people are staring at me already. So I'm literally just in here to get these lashes. And where are they? Oh, here we go. That quick. And ignore my hair because I'll fix it later. But this is because I don't have time to get my lashes done. My birthday's literally tomorrow. So we're gonna get this, and there's the bonder, the seal, overnighter, and the remover. I need to do one more thing, but I don't remember right now. Okay, this is literally the only one that I could find. I don't want 3, but I guess I'll deal with it. I'm gonna go in the Ulta section just to see if I see anything that I want. Now I'm gonna go to Starbucks. Cheese Danish warm and a grande apple juice. Cheese Danish bread, we might eat out. We're out of the cheese Danish right now. You have the cookie? Yeah, the chocolate chip cookie? Do you want it warmed up? Yeah. I'm back in the car. We're about to go home and my apple juice. I just discovered that their cookies were good. If I would have been knew that, I would have been got cookies. Okay, so we're about to do these lashes. I literally don't have a small mirror. I have this huge mirror that I'm gonna be looking at. So I'm just gonna let y'all watch me. Well, I might talk a little bit. It's like some short, some medium, and some long. So I think she did long, medium, small. Okay, these look a little janky. It was my first time doing it, so I think it's like good for my first time, but it's a lot of gaps, so I might go and fill in the gaps later if I feel like it. I have to get ready for my wax appointment. It's not that bad. Okay, focus, babes. It's not that bad. I'm gonna show you just the final step. So you put the this took me like almost an hour, I think, but it's okay. Oh, and for this, if you care, I'm just using it to like, you know the little hairs you have right here, I'm just literally taking them off. That's all I got this for. So